In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color and add effects in Polotno. We'll start by opening your browser and heading to polotno.com. Once the site loads, sign in with your own credentials. If you're new or your session expired, you might see a sign-in prompt right away. Use your personal login and remember to keep that information private. You never need to share it on screen. After you're in, open the project that already contains the text you want to style. If you have several projects, pick the one you're working on today. Once the canvas is visible, click directly on the text box so it's active. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box and the text tools appear. Look to the upper left area of the interface for the color controls. Depending on your version, it may be labeled Fill or simply Color. Click it to open the color picker. Here you can choose a preset swatch, drag within the spectrum, or enter a specific hex code if you're matching brand colors. As you adjust, watch the canvas to see the change in real time. If the color looks too intense, pick a lighter shade or reduce opacity in the same panel to soften it. Next, let's enhance the look with effects. Find and click effects while the text is still selected. From the list, choose shadow to add depth. Experiment with distance and blur to control how far the shadow sits and how soft it appears. A subtle shadow usually looks more polished than a heavy one. Then try blur on the text itself for a stylized look. A small blur can create a gentle glow. Too much can reduce readability, so move the slider slowly and preview as you go. With the style in place, refine the overall feel by adjusting scale, opacity, or angle. Drag the corner handles to resize the text proportionally, keeping an eye on line breaks and spacing. Use the opacity slider to make the text more transparent if it needs to sit behind imagery. Rotate using the circular handle to change the angle. Even a few degrees can add motion and interest. If anything feels off, use undo to step back and try again. That's it. Color set, effects applied, and fine-tuning complete. Follow these steps whenever you want your Polotno text to stand out with clean, consistent styling.